Hi viewers, welcome to Home Style Cooking with me, Priya Jithin. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite rice dishes, which is called Mint Pulao or Pudina Pulao. Now that we've seen all the ingredients to make the Mint Pulao, let's get cooking. Firstly, we need to make a fine paste of the following ingredients. 1 cup of mint, 1 cup of shredded coconut, or even you can use fresh coconut. Next, I'm putting about 5 pieces of green chili. Next, I've taken 6 pieces of fresh ginger. Next, all the garam masalas. To this, I'm going to add half cup of water and I'm going to make this into a fine paste. This is how it looks when it's been made into a fine paste. So I'm going to add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil. Next, I'm going to add onion. Now when the onions have become slightly brown, I'm going to add about 2 leaves of bay leaf. So now the onions have become nice and brown. To this, we're going to add up all our green mixture. To this, now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. You can increase the salt as for your taste buds. Now let this mixture cook for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to close it for about 5 minutes and then we'll add the rice. Next to this, I'm going to add green peas. So next, I've washed the rice and now I'm going to add it to the mixture. I'm just going to mix the rice with this mixture so all the flavor gets infused into the rice. So I've taken 2 cups of rice and to this I'm going to be adding 3 cups of water. So now we're going to let this cook on high flame for about 10 minutes. By closing the lid, and then after 10 minutes we're going to decrease the flame and let it cook throughout. Now that the rice has been cooking on high flame for about 10 minutes and low flame for about 10 minutes, should be done. It's cooked really well, smells really good. So now let's transfer this into a bowl. And there we go. The Mint Pulao is ready. If you've liked the video, please give a thumbs up. And for more cooking by Priya Jithin, please subscribe to our channel, Home Style Cooking. And after you tried my recipe, please leave your comments below. Until next time, Priya Jithin signing off.